Update on the overall market for 6/28, and if you watched the video yesterday, we were sitting, I think we were at 388 before the market, and I said that was a fourth wave. We have one more move up, and we got that right at the beginning of the day. We hit I think I said 392 minimum to break the top of this, and we hit 393.21, and then we have started the B wave. So the question is, how far is the B wave going to go? And right now, looking at the chart, you have to go down all the way to the 3-minute time frame to even see anything, because we went from 392 all the way to 380. What is that, like a 3% swing, pretty much? 12 points, about 3%, something like that, in a day. And so if we go through the chart, let's just see where we're at. I think in the last video I said that we had to get to the 0.38 fib, which ended up being 381.33 to be a valid B wave, and we hit that and we went a little bit past it. It doesn't necessarily mean that the B wave is finished. This could just be A, B, C, and then we do A, B, C higher, and then we come back down lower, or we do a double bottom at around this level. But if you're looking at the current ABC pattern, we can look at the 15-minute time frame, and you can see there's a little bit of green here. That's got to be the B wave. So we take a, let's see here, and you can see this is not impulsive at all. This is ABC. So we know this is ABC, but then you have to go down to the 3-minute time frame, and you can see we have, make it kind of bigger here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that would be, we're going to say X. I'm not going to do ABC right now. Let's just do X. And then we know that right here is Y. And then you can see we have 1, looks like 2 here. 1, 2, and it's not right. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, right here. A, B, C, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it looks like we're going to have tomorrow maybe one more move down. It's on the 3-minute time frame, keep in mind. So sometimes the 3-minute time frame can be a little bit tricky because you're trying to break it down and then you zoom out and you're like, it looks a little bit different on the higher time frames. But I think that we could hit below this, so maybe just like 380, maybe a little bit lower than that, but pretty much I'm not expecting that much more downside on this move. And that would finish X, Y, Z. So ABC, same thing as ABC. Now the question is this finish the B wave, or is this just the start of the B wave? Because it could be X, Y, Z, bounce, ABC, and then we have a 5-wave move down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down anywhere in here. And that would mean it's going to take a little bit longer. Or is this just X, Y, Z? Is this it right here? This 1-day move and we start going higher for the C wave. That's the two scenarios, so I can draw them out. We're either going to be, we have X, Y, Z, we're either going to be this, something like this, maybe like that for B wave, and then we would have like a 5-wave move down, kind of like this. And there. Time frame's kind of hard to say. So that would be if this was ABC, or if this is ABC and we're finished with the B wave. So B wave is going to finish over here, or it's going to be finished right here. If we're finished already, then we would start a 5-wave move like this, and then pull back. It's getting kind of crowded here, but we'd do a 5-wave move, maybe something like this. And my target's like, I'm on the 15-minute time frame. This is kind of, my target is like 415, so we get something like this, and then pull back, and then finish out. Whoops. Finish out up here at 415, right at here at this resistance and that level. So that's my most likely scenario, is a double top at 415. But like I said, it's actually probably more likely that this is just the start of the ABC move, but it could be done too. It could be a quick one, and you have to go down in lower time frames. But I'm going to lean towards a bounce about to like 387-ish, and then one more move down for the B wave, and then we take off, instead of this being the B wave and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The time frame, the hardest part. I originally said late July, but I think that it's definitely possible that we finish all of this by the July OPEX 2. The other thing to keep in mind, though, is we do have tech earnings at the end of July, and so that's another reason why they might keep the market up. But then again, they might tank it in tech earnings too. You don't know. It's kind of hard to say, because I think tech earnings were pretty good last time. Facebook beat, Apple beat, Amazon didn't beat, and then Microsoft beat too. So I mean, they all beat their earnings. And so it really just kind of depends on whatever the market makers want to do. Do they want to make this move 415 into earnings, or do they want to make this into July 15th and then start tanking it into earnings, and we get a first wave down and a pullback for earnings or something like that? So in summary, we started the B wave. We just don't know if this is the finish of the B wave, or we're going to do A, B, C down here. And both targets are still going to be 415, because I think this is going to be a zigzag. It's still possible we go all the way down here, but I just think that that's not very likely. And if that happens, then we're probably not going to make it to 415. So that's the update for today. Leave me a comment. Make sure you like and subscribe. And I will see you tomorrow.